started our gin theme evening with a James Bond Vesper Martini, but what we're going to make now is a Lemon and Basil Martini. Now, I want enough for 2 cocktails, so I've got here 22 basil leaves, which I'm just going to muddle. Now, basically, if you had like a little wooden stick, as it were, all we're doing is sort of gently bruising them. Okay, so I'm just using my little spoon that came with this, just to give them a little bit of a bruising. And then, having done that, our next step is to add some ice, which I've decided to melt and stick in there. And then I'm going to add 100 mils of gin. Remember, I'm making 2 lots. I'm using my Maidstone George Bishop gin, because this is a special cocktail after all. In that goes. We're going to add generous squeeze of lemon juice. That was a pick went flying. And we now want some limoncello, which I've got here. And limoncello, we're going to want 50 mils of that. So actually, I might as well use that same little measure. In that goes. Remember, this is lemony. And then our final thing we're going to add is some sugar syrup. And again, I might as well get that back, because for that, oh actually, I'll not do it like that. I'm not sure how many mils it is. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of that. Now you can make your own sugar syrup, which must not be martini, which I did. 200 mils of water and 200 mils of caster sugar, and then just warm it up until it's all melted. And so we've got, yep. So now I'll put the lid on, and we're now going to give it a good shake so that ice will help muddle that basil a bit more. And now, take our cocktail glass, customised ones for the wife, and pour that into there, and there we have our lemon and basil martini. Very nice.